Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Kia Sportage LX. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia is a steal with less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.